नमस्कार, हेलो एंड वेलकम टू चाय चैट विद लवीना। और हम इस वक्त हैं लैंकास्टर पार्क ग्रैंड लैंकास्टर गेट होटल में, जहां हाई टी बहुत बेहतरीन मिलती है, मैंने पी है। और हमारे साथ आज हाई टी के लिए बैठे हैं बहुत सारे लोग, बट बिफोर दैट आई जस्ट वांट टू फर्स्ट शेयर माय डिलेमा इन लाइफ, व्हिच इज कि हर जनरेशन के जो बच्चे होते हैं वो अपने पेरेंट्स को आउटस्मार्ट करते हैं, बट आई फील समहाउ हैविंग टू किड्स दैट this generation kids are super smart and the next one coming are super smart, so we have to be super smart parents. अब ये कैसे हो? और साथ में डिलेमा जो पेरेंट्स का होता है कि अगर हमारे बच्चों में कोई टैलेंट है तो उसको हम कैसे उभारें, कैसे निखारें। और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम कि आजकल खासतौर पे कोविड ने इसमें बहुत ज्यादा अपना योगदान दिया है कि जो स्क्रीन्स हैं, होमवर्क भी आजकल स्क्रीन्स पे मिलते हैं, तो उनसे निकालते हुए उनका टैलेंट उभारना, उनको एक अच्छा सिटीजन बनाना, इट्स अ ह्यूज टास्क. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. कैन आई फर्स्ट प्लीज start with you. You tell me about your talent show so that we'll see how people can fit into it.
जो टैलेंट शो है वो एज कैटेगरी है टोटल से टीन तक, 19 ईयर्स ऑफ एज के बच्चों के लिए है. और जो कैटेगरीज हैं वो सारी कवर हम करते हैं. एक्टिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, रिबिक क्यूब या आपका क्विज, कोई भी टैलेंट, एनी टैलेंट फ्रॉम टोटल्स टू टीन, सब. और शो का नाम है इंडियाज इमर्जिंग टैलेंट. हमने अभी लास्ट ईयर सीजन 1 खत्म किया है और अभी हमने इंडियाज इमर्जिंग टैलेंट दे हुनर को पहचान सीजन 2 अभी स्टार्ट किया है. हमारे दिल्ली में ऑडिशन है अभी 21 नवंबर को, फिर हमारे कोलकाता में है, फिर हम NRI टैलेंट शो है वो जून पे होगा.
What is that little interesting, Gagan? You have been dealing with children. Do you think what is that interesting thing that you can give to them?
We give them the life outside screen, physical, and to know about their talent, about their hunar. वो जान सकते हैं, and then they can do physical activity as well.
That involves a lot of time. Where do the parents have that time? What interesting can I give to you that will take you away from TikToks?
I mean, I guess if you become passionate about something, like really passionate about it, then I don't see why you wouldn't do it.
Well, how can I make you passionate about something? I've not asked you about screen. How can I make you passionate about something? Tell me, what can parents do to make you interested in something? Dumbfounded.
I guess participating with the kid.
I'll tell you
Yes.
something that you do
Yes.
called bribery.
So I have to bribe you to take you to Nand Kumar ji's Sanskrit class?
No,
Nand Kumar ji, you tell me, you think,
what I'm gonna say.
how do we discipline kids? How do we discipline enough and get the
Oh,
talent
I'm
out?
gonna-
Rohit, you can say anytime. Yes, go on, Rohan. And then Rohan can say. Go on.
Okay. You overreact sometimes.
Okay, overreaction. So overreaction
But I
doesn't
can
look.
tell you how to get rid of that.
Yes, how?
I don't know.
Okay. Tell me, how do you keep the kids interested in your class? And Nand Kumar ji, I'm going to come to you to ask, how do we discipline without overreacting, without taking things away? So without carrot and without stick.
I think most importantly in today's day and age, the TikTok day and age, I would say it's very important to be at the same level with the kids. So
Do the TikTok yourself.
So I guess more than being a parent, I think we need to be their friends to kind of understand and get to that level to make them do things.
So which children are we talking about? 5, 4, 3, 2?
Even 5 and 4. So I've been teaching kids who are 4 years old, and the moment I walk into the class as a teacher, they are all scared and they go into that a little bubble. But I walk into the class and say, "Hi, how old are you? Are you 4? Okay, I'm 6 years old." That's it. I've broken the ice, and that one sentence of making them feel comfortable that, oh, he is my age and he's going to do as silly stuff as what I would do. I think that's what, at least in the dance classes, that helps us.
Rohan, I have a job. You have to crack the ice with him
100%.
before the show ends and teach him a step.
Oh, should I tell you something?
Yes.
You're my best friend.
He has got that. Okay.
Actually, what Rohanji mentioned is correct. Usually at the beginning, you need to push children to learn something with which they are not familiar. You can't expect them to take interest in that unless parents tell them what it is. If you bring them to a class, I can talk about our cultural activities at the Bhavan, wherein we teach music, dance, languages, etc. The minute they see children of their own age enjoying, smiling and dancing, etc., first day they will be resisting. Second time when they come, they will feel more comfortable. Third day onwards, third week onwards, they will be asking parents, let us go to Bhavan. This is what I have experienced in my life. Children at the beginning, when we begin our classes in the month of September, for the first 2 weeks there is a lot of fluctuation. There is a lot of tension in the minds of parents as well as children. After 2-3 weeks when they are settled, children will be asking parents, when are we going to Bhavan? I want to be there, because they have got friends there. It's almost like fun. It's not just no more something wherein people have forced them to do or parents have forced them to do. They have started liking it. We must create that kind of an atmosphere whereby they feel that yes, I want to do this.
Okay.
And afterwards they
Okay,
just
so the
show
carrot and stick both in the first few weeks, and then so you can't get rid of carrot and sticks. That's why I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Can you get rid of carrot and sticks?
So you can't get rid of carrots and hummus.
Carrot and sticks?
I agree. No, we can't get rid of them. Carrot more, actually, I would say. That's it.
Really?
Yeah.
Carrot and sticks? Can we get rid of carrot and sticks with you
Yes,
guys?
you can get rid of it with adding carrots and hummus.
You?
No.
Yes? Yeah, can you do?
Yeah, I think giving, well, not 100%, but logic for everything. Let them understand first, rather than initially giving them carrot and stick, offering them the first thing.
Logic? How do you logic with a 2-year-old in the middle of the road?
Well, you need to show them. It's the repetition of the things. They'll understand. I've tried
Patient
it.
mother. Patient mother.
That's how it has been worked so far. So
Yeah?
it's working.
It's working?
Yeah.
See, maybe you should take some advice. Okay.
Oh, that's
I don't think so. Does it work what he said? That if you force for a few then you get interested in something yourself.
Yeah.
encourage. I would rather
Like,
not say
yeah,
force.
yeah, not
You
force.
encourage them gradually.
Yeah, especially if it's with other people, because then, you know, like you said, there's other people and you enjoy it with them, and then when you're happy, you learn. If you're not,
One thing I'll tell you is that this is what you did when I was going to secondary school. You forced me to meet people instead of letting me meet them myself. And when I went to school.
It's my class today. Clearly, everyone knows that he's my son. Anyway, so carrot and stick we can't. You said we can get rid of to an extent.
to an extent, yes.
But does it work in the case of screens as well, Shuchi?
Well, so far they are at the age where they have a lot of things to do when it comes to screens, like playing or doing activities, or they can get distracted with small things. They're not at that age where you can't fool them. Actually, you can still fool them and make them do what exactly you want to do at certain.
So, okay, can I quickly ask? So, carrot and stick. How many people are for carrot and stick? Raise your hand.
I would say encouragement.
Encouragement.
Carrot more.
Carrot more.
Yeah, even I would stick to encouragement.
We are all on the screens. We are saying the right thing, are we?
but when our ancestors have a special way of describing the relationship between a child and parents
Please,
and
tell
gurus,
me.
etc., and especially how to bring up children or how to encourage them to do things.
Yes.
It says, I will quote the
Yes.
Sanskrit verse: "Lalayet panchavarshani, dashavarshani tadayet, praptetu shodashe varshe, putram mitravadacharet." The meaning is, lalayet panchavarshani, first 5 years in the life of a child, boy and a girl. you pour love to make them feel that they are important. They are loved, etc. Dasha Varshani Tadayat. The next 10 years, Tadayat means not beating, Tadayat means discipline. You have to make sure that they observe that discipline. Love should be inside, but outside you should make sure that they do what is required of them, especially because they are going into the big world. And you don't want your child not prepared when it enters into that kind of world. So next 10 years, you should make sure that they observe discipline. And then prapte to shodashe varshe. The minute they are 16, putram mitravadacharet. Whether your daughter or a son, you treat him or her like your friend. You discuss with them, talk to them. Don't give them upadesh or advice, but just, be their friends. That's how you bring up children.
Oh,
Bring up
that's beautiful.
students.
We're going to take a short break, but when we come back, I do want to understand that in this world of COVID, when we all were subjected to screen, how do we then, with encouragement, do all that we have been talking about? So stay tuned on Chai Chat. It's a special Children's Day special. Hello and welcome to Chai Chat with Lavina again. As I promised, the high tea is here in Lancaster Gate Hotel, Park Grand, and we are discussing the special issue of children on this Children's Day special. तो हमने बात करी थी कि कोविड के समय में we all were thrusted, the screens were thrusted upon us, and for children उनका तो होमवर्क भी उसी पे है, पढ़ाई भी उसी पे है. So we all had a huge challenge. We never knew when they were studying and when they were not. So we're going to find out what's the way out from it now. So let me just go here. What is it that you do to get your children, to take away and get the children to your talent show?
For my children to take away from the screen, I ask them to go out with me in the park or cycle.
So you have to go.
I have to go with them.
With them.
Definitely. So that's.
तो आपके पास वक्त नहीं हो जब आप टैलेंट शो चला रहे होते हैं तब क्या होता है?
हाँ, जब टैलेंट शो चल रहा होता है, then of course in that way we ask them to practice. कि भाई अपना practice कर लो. If you are my daughter, she's a singer. She sing and she's a piano one. She do piano as well. So I ask her to practice.
You ask her and she listens?
99% no.
On that note, you can have something. Yeah, that's your prize. Since you told me the truth. What can we do to take you away from the screen? Please answer that.
Little.
Very little.
It's very hard though. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I guess what everyone said, but that is kind of hard.
I think she's saying it's your problem.
Yeah.
It's our problem.
Oh, for us, like, I mean, if we like something else, like off the screen, like, I don't know, like your daughter likes to play the piano or something, then,
So first, we have to use carrot and stick.
No, first you
Force
get the
them.
carrot, and then you install the stick, and you install the hummus, and then once you put the hummus, you've got your idea, and then when the idea runs out, you get to see a cut the carrot, and you install the stick, and then you get the hummus. And then when the idea runs out,
Step-by-step process
stick,
here.
carrot,
Thanks.
stick, and then you get the hummus,
Thanks.
and you do it again.
Thanks very. I have
Good.
got my.
With children, you feel always
And
your younger.
Sometimes
There's so much joy.
Sometimes you can get the stick, and then they won't like it, and then you feel like you're a failure. But if you do it again, sometimes you might do it, and sometimes you might feel like a failure again.
I always, almost 100% of the time, feel like a failure.
Well, that's why if you always feel like a failure, you'll get nowhere.
What do we do? So first force them to get into it and then hope that they will be interested.
I think challenges are quite. I was just thinking about it while you were talking. Kids love challenges. The TikTok challenge, right? That's the reason you do it. So what I was doing during the break, I challenged him. I think this is a very difficult step. I don't think so. You can do it. And he said, "No, I can do it. This is the step." So I think that's what with the competition, with the talent, it is like the moment you give them challenges, they are ready to go out and to do things. I think that could be one of the ways of getting them away from the screen. And
We are all thinking. We are all still thinking. If you have any ideas, please send it to me because I'm the first one to apply that. So let's give one challenge. You wanted a challenge to give to all of us. So go on.
My challenge is
Yes.
to get the carrot and slice.
Stop the carrot and the stick, because we did shoot what he was trying to teach in the yeah, we did do that. So now you can challenge all us adults because
I'll
we
give you an
don't.
actual challenge.
Go on. Say the whole thing now. You can challenge and then we'll talk about how people can enter his challenge. Go on. Say the story, the brick story.
the brick story.
Okay.
Loudly.
Okay, so there are 503 bricks in a wall. One of them fall off. How many are left?
How many are left? Only 3 of us.
502.
102.
That's it, yes.
I mean, I told you before, but like, how many?
Yeah, that's. But I think how many bricks left? Or how is it?
How many bricks are left?
Yeah, same 502. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 502.
Correct? Next.
Okay. How do you put an elephant in a fridge? Please don't say it because you know the answer.
Because he told him in the break. So you say Gagan.
I think you buy a toy elephant and put it in the fridge.
Okay. How do you put an elephant in a fridge? You have no idea.
Maybe
You
a
open
toy
the fridge,
elephant.
you put the elephant in, and you close it.
So sometimes in life there is no trick. Next.
Okay, so how do you put a giraffe in a fridge? I already told you.
I think now I know the answer.
Yeah, go on.
So open the door, take the elephant out, put the giraffe back in, and then close the
You're
door.
doing a good job as a mom. You're doing a good job as a mom.
I told you when you should take advice, you got it wrong. Both times.
Okay, next.
Okay, so the Lion King is having a party, and all the animals come except one. Why? You know it? You know it. Also, you know it, I think.
So Lion King is having a party. All the animals come except one. So these two can answer.
Maybe.
I told you like 3 times.
Yeah, I know this.
Well, I don't know the answer. I can guess.
What?
Maybe crocodile.
Crocodile doesn't come.
No.
Okay. Don't know. Next.
Who was the one
The
inside
giraffe
the fridge?
is stuck in the fridge.
Still.
Giraffe is in the fridge.
All right.
So the reason I did this was sometimes in life there is no trick and there is no logic. And you just got to live it. So what is the, there is no logic or trick to bringing up children, I think. You tell me, parenting tip that has worked.
Well, as the sir said, one, encouragement. So the more encouragement you give to them, go to their level and try to understand what they are expecting from their parents. They are very little to understand too much. And so as a parent, you really need to have reasonable expectations from them. You know that they are not going to listen 100%. So even if they listen 60%, you have done your job.
Really? Okay. Gagan.
3 things. First of all, don't stress out. Take it easy. Second, be love your children. And third, have patience.
What has worked for you, Nandakumarji? That you have to tell
You
me.
know, to encourage them to enjoy whatever they are doing.
Okay. Please give parents a tip. Yes, go on.
So when you try to get them to a singing class, you give them a song that they like, you encourage them to sing to it, they like that song, they like the singing, and then that puts in their head that they like singing, so when you put them in the class, they encourage them that they like singing, so they put their mind into it, and then they do it, and then they like it.
Okay.
Very good.
Great. I think I'll get a
Excellent,
parenting tip
excellent.
from you in a second.
Excellent.
Think
Both
about
of you
it.
just are very amazing.
Go on.
I think the challenge reward system, I would stick to it. Challenge them and reward them with.
Parent tip. भैया आप tip दीजिए parents को.
Okay. I don't know, don't be constantly mad at us for the little things. Like they've been mad at us for small things like mistakes. that we do, because if we don't need to do them. If we know we're doing something bad, then I guess, yeah. But if you know that we didn't, then, yeah.
Okay.
Like, basically understand where we're coming from.
Okay, so getting on to their level is what. So
Yes.
patience, I think. I need to find a shop for patience. आप पहले बता दें कि how do we enter your challenge?
चैलेंज के लिए you have to go funkids.in/NRI talent. I repeat, funkids.in/NRI talent. वहाँ जाओगे, you will find all the information about this India's Emerging Talent, दे हुनर को पहचान season 2. और जो ऑडिशन तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि अभी हम जूम पे करेंगे. 19th of December को जूम पे होगा सबके लिए जो NRI हैं हमारे इंग्लैंड के कहीं के भी. तो पहला वो है, बाद में we'll see in January अगर मिलता है तो. If we have more children, we do in January as well, just to make sure. और हाँ, judges, of course, Sunny Merchant will be the one of the judge.
Yes, guys, it's an amazing concept. Toddler से teen, सबको मौका मिलेगा अपना talent showcase करने का. You can be a dancer, a singer, an actor, a quizzer, a poet. You just name it. If you're talented, there's a platform waiting for you. Auditions शुरू हो चुके हैं, so hurry up and grab this opportunity. Visit funkids.india website for more updates on audition. Toddlers to teen, get yourself registered today. I and other celebrity judges will be waiting for you.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. मेरी आवाज का
जिन्हें दुनिया ने नकारा, जिनकी काबिलियत पर सब ने किया शक, उनके हुनर को पहचान दिलाने आ रहा है इंडियाज इमर्जिंग टैलेंट दे हुनर को पहचान का सीजन 2. Register today on funkids.in/IET season 2 and get an opportunity to showcase your talent to the entire world.
So all the best for the talent. That's the mantra that we have found from a grandparent who's here, a person who's a teacher, person who's running a talent show with the children, and the children themselves, and a parent. So there we are. We have reached somewhere here, I think today, somewhere. And if you want to reach with participating in the talent show, please, he has said that where to go, and from toddlers to teens, do write to me on my Twitter handle @Lavina Tandon or chai chat @aashtak.com. Thank you, take care, and God bless.